Welcome to Switched On Schoolhouse, a CD-ROM-based homeschool curriculum from Alpha Omega Publications. In Switched On Schoolhouse 6th grade math, your students will continue with their study of math concepts like numbers and place value, decimal numbers, beginning fractions, decimals and fractions, statistics and graphing, and much more. Now let's take a look at a 6th grade math lesson to see how concepts like these are covered. In a unit entitled Geometry and Measurement, let's look at a lesson called Lines, Angles, and Congruency. Most Switched On Schoolhouse lessons begin with a brief introduction and a list of objectives for the lesson. These objectives help students stay focused on important lesson content and provide parents with an effective way to measure mastery of lesson content. A variety of audio-visual presentations, including videos, slideshows, and animations, provide reinforcement of lesson content.
A good place to see different types of lines is on a map. Take a look at this road map. Notice how the north and southbound sides of Highway 8 form parallel lines. They are the same distance apart. They could go on forever and would never meet. Highway 52 and Highway 40 cross at an angle. They are called intersecting lines, and where they cross is called an intersection. Highway 52 is a vertical line. It runs up and down. Highway 17, on the other hand, is a horizontal line. It runs from side to side. Because Highway 52 and Highway 17 cross at right angles, they are called perpendicular lines.
At the beginning of most lessons, your students will also encounter a list of vocabulary words that will be used throughout the lesson. We've included several activities to encourage mastery of these important words. For example, students can hear the correct pronunciation of each word.
Vertical line, parallel.
In addition, the vocabulary arcade games encourage mastery of the vocabulary words by providing practice in the correct spelling of each word and in matching each word with its definition. Let's look at a sample.
Spell the word perpendicular line.
P-E-R-P-E-N-D-I-C-U-L-A-R-L-I-N-E.
Flashcards allow students to easily review the words and their definitions. Math can be a difficult subject for parents to teach, but Monarch math courses provide text-based instruction interspersed with multimedia examples of difficult-to-grasp skills to assist parents in meeting the academic needs of even their most math-challenged students. At the end of the lesson, the student is presented with a series of questions that provide a review of lesson content. Questions are presented in a variety of formats, including matching, fill in the blank, true and false, sequencing, multiple choice, multiple select, click and place, essay questions, and many more. 85 to 90% of student work is graded instantly by the program. Answers are automatically saved as the student works through the questions, and immediate feedback is given after each question has been answered. If a parent has set the program to allow for multiple attempts, students will be looped back through the lesson to answer questions that were marked wrong on the first attempt. The lesson is complete when all questions have been answered correctly, or when the student has exhausted his allowed attempts on each question. The student can then return to the home page to continue through the rest of his daily assignments.